Hello students, today we are going to read a very interesting story, The Willy Jackal. It is a folk tale from Gujarat. In this story, we will find out how wit and quick thinking can get us out of tricky situations. So, let's start the story. There once lived a crocodile in a river. One summer, all the water in the river dried up. The crocodile grew weaker and weaker as it waited for the rain in the dry river bed. Once there lived a crocodile in the river. One summer, what happened? The whole river was dried up, and the crocodile was very weaker due to its thirst, and it waited for the rain in the dry river bed. One day he saw a man walking past the river. The crocodile called out to him and said, "Brother, please take me where there is some water." One day there was a man who was passing by the river. The crocodile saw him and called him and said, "Brother, please help me to get some water and take me where I will find some water to drink." The man said, "I don't mind helping, but what if you catch me when you reach the water?" The crocodile replied, "I will never hurt someone who saves my life. I promise I will let you go." The man agreed to help the crocodile, but he asked, "What if I help you and you will catch me and eat me up?" But the crocodile replied that, "No, just don't worry. I will never hurt someone who saves me. I promise you, I will let you go." The man believed the crocodile, so he picked it up and carried it to a water hole nearby. On reaching the water hole, the crocodile drank water to his thirst's content and quenched his thirst. Meanwhile, the man stood near the water hole and caught his breath, for he was exhausted after carrying the heavy crocodile. Suddenly, the crocodile stretched out and grabbed the man's leg. The man yelled out in surprise, "You had promised that you will not hurt me. What are you doing now?" The crocodile said, "I wouldn't have, but I am very hungry. If I don't eat you, I will die of hunger." What happened? When the crocodile asked help to the man believed the crocodile and he picked it up and carried to the water hole. When they reached the water hole, the crocodile drank the water to quench his thirst. And then the man stood near the water hole and relaxed himself as he was exhausted by carrying the heavy crocodile. What happened? Suddenly, the crocodile stretched out and grabbed the man's leg. The man yelled out very loudly and he was surprised too. He asked the crocodile, "You had promised me that you will never hurt me. Then what are you doing?" The crocodile said that I wouldn't have to hurt you, but I am very hungry. If I don't eat you, I will die of hunger. "Please wait," pleaded the man. "Let us ask someone who else to decide this matter." The man pleaded the crocodile and said, "Please, let us ask someone who will decide what to do. I am right or you are right. Who is wrong between us?" The crocodile thought, "Let me humor him for a while." So the crocodile tightened its grip on the man's leg and asked, "You may ask whoever you want to." The crocodile thought, uh, I must agree with someone to keep him happy. So crocodile tightened his grip on the man's leg and said, "You can ask whoever you want to ask." The man looked around. He saw a lame horse grazing nearby. He called the horse and narrated his story. The man looked all around and saw an injured horse who was grazing nearby. He called him and narrated his whole story. The horse neighed in scorn and said, "Human beings are selfish creatures. My owner made me slog for many years. But as soon my leg was injured, he left me in the forest. Crocodile, my friend, go ahead and eat this man." When the man narrated his story to the horse neighed, and he said in very anger that human beings are selfish creatures. They just think for their own. When my owner took very hard work from me for many years, but as my leg was injured, he left me in the forest. So, my dear friend crocodile, you must go ahead and eat this man. They are very selfish creatures. We must not forgive them. The crocodile dragged the man toward the water. The man soaked with fire. Wait, he stuttered. Let me ask someone else one last time. Then you may eat me if you wish to. As he begged and pleaded with the crocodile, a jackal came by. The man called out desperately, Jackal, please come and give us your opinion on a serious matter. From a safe distance, the jackal called back, What is this matter that you speak of? After hearing the words of horse, the crocodile started dragging the man towards the water. After seeing all this, the man got that much frightened that he started trembling. He stuttered and said, Let me ask someone else one last time, then if you wish, then you may eat me. He begged again and pleaded with the crocodile. At the same time, a jackal came by them. The man called the jackal and said, Jackal, please come here and solve the serious matter and give us your opinion. From a safe distance, the jackal asked, What is the matter you are speaking of? Once again, the man repeated his tale. The jackal was smart. It realized at once that the crocodile would not let go of the man easily, so he decided to try some other trick. I see, the jackal said to the man. So it was you who was stranded in the dry riverbed? No, no, interrupted the crocodile. It was me. The jackal said, I am still very confused. Explain it again, please. The crocodile was irritated. Here, let me explain. I was lying over there. What happened when the man asked Jackal for help? The jackal said, the jackal asked about the matter, so the man repeated his story in front of Jackal. Jackal was very smart, so he realized that crocodile would not let him go off so easily. So he decided to try some other trick at sudden, so the crocodile let him free. At the meanwhile, after hearing the story, the jackal asked, Oh, I see. He asked the man, It was you who was stranded in the dry riverbed? The crocodile interrupted, No, no, it was me. The jackal said, Oh my god, I'm still confused. Can you explain me again, please? Crocodile got irritated and said, Wait, let me explain you. I was lying over there, not the man. The jackal wiggled its whisker and repeated innocently, Where did you say? Now the jackal was really exasperated. It let go of the man's leg and crawled away to show the jackal the place it was talking about. The jackal quickly signaled the man to escape. The man fled, so did the jackal. As it ran, the clever jackal called out, Ah, now I understand what you mean, crocodile. The crocodile realized that it had been tricked. It was very angry and vowed that it would take its revenge on the clever jackal. The crocodile started to explain that where he was lying, the jackal wiggled and repeated innocently, Where did you say? I didn't understand. The crocodile got very angry and irritated, so it let go the man's legs and crawled a little away to show the jackal the place where it was talking about. At sudden, the jackal quickly signaled the man to run away. The man fled away, and so did the jackal. The jackal also fled away. As they ran away, the clever jackal called out, Oh crocodile, now I understand what did you mean. The crocodile realized that it had been tricked. They cheated him, and he got so angry and vowed that it would take revenge one day to the clever jackal. So students, this was the story, The Willy Jackal. I hope you liked this story. The basic lesson of this story is that one must be tricky and give quick response when they are in danger, to be safe. Whenever you feel you are in danger, so be quick responsive. Okay, so I hope you all understood this, and thank you so much.